Louise Carter Jewelry Review 2025 Honest Buyer Guide and What to Expect. Most people get this wrong by assuming all online jewelry stores offer the same quality. The surprising truth is that Louise Carter Jewelry provides stylish and well-made pieces, but buyers should know what to expect. The store offers a wide range of rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings with elegant designs. Materials are generally high quality for the price, and craftsmanship is praised by many customers. You won't believe how well some pieces hold up over time with proper care. Shipping is reasonable, though delivery can take a couple of weeks. Returns and exchanges are possible but require following their guidelines. Customer service is helpful, but response times can vary. The surprising truth is that patience is often needed when ordering online jewelry. Before purchasing, check product details, read reviews, and understand sizing. Photos from previous buyers give the best insight into appearance and quality. In conclusion, Louise Carter Jewelry is a legitimate online jewelry store with stylish, quality pieces. Focus on reviewing product details, verifying sizing, and understanding shipping and returns for the best buying experience.